Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Apex 9. In this video I'll show you how to change RGB brightness. To adjust RGB brightness of your keyboard, let's go to SteelSeries GG, select the keyboard, and next, select Prism. Select Effect, where you can change brightness. And now, press and hold SteelSeries button and press 11 to decrease brightness and F12 to increase brightness. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.